Hey Rogue fans, welcome back. We're gonna show you how you guys can make these for the upcoming holidays. They're very cute and very stylish, so I want you guys to have a look-see on both. There we go. And wait for us and see how this goes. Okay, so what y'all think about the final design for that one? I can only imagine how thankful it's gonna be. Do we turn it over and then just smack him down? Because this is too goddamn tight, you are going to lift this over, make life easier on you, and push this shit out. A little bit easier. There we go. Alright guys, if you saw us struggling, it's because it was the worst struggle. Granted, I only got this from Michael's at a discount on clearance. Now we know why. And for this little tree one, we had to kind of stop and do it ourselves offhand because it was a challenge to do it for you guys to see it too. Luckily we did it with the leaf, but this one was much more of a struggle. And we didn't even know that the little pegs can even go deeper. And then we're like, well, how do we take them off if they're in too deep? Because it was hurting our fingers.
So we kind of just hammered them out.
Yeah, you'll see. I'm pretty sure you saw that already too. So in any event, it's not the worst thing. Obviously, this is our first time trying it. I feel like they do really good. The outcome is great. It's amazing. They're cute. But overall, I feel like maybe it would require a little bit more practice. So don't force yourself to, you know, not want to see something that doesn't come out correctly. Like for us, I was kind of like sad that this didn't come out as sharp as it should have been. It doesn't matter. My boyfriend thought it was cute and he liked it. So hey, you never know. You know, some people. I think that one looks cute for what it is.
Cute.
So we have some other ideas. Stay this way.
Could be a pin.
Could be a pin.
Earrings.
Could be a little hair
clip.
Hair clip. Yeah. Make sure to anything. Subscribe, like, please share it. Hope to see you guys in the next one.